Hi guys, today we're unboxing PEZ dispenser. Here it is, the PEZ dispenser. I'm gonna open it first, okay? You can see after I open it. Remember, I have a new thing that I'm gonna do with my YouTube. I'm gonna make videos out of Bandicam, yay! And they're gonna be educational. Here's my PEZ dispenser. Which one do you want? Maybe the grape. Okay, let's open the grape.
Pode cair no chão assim, é, mano?
Uh-huh.
Uhum.
Dad, help me. My dad is gonna help me dispense it.
Tá. Vai pondo aí um por um. Pode deixar, mesmo se entrar torto, deixa. Pode deixar. Não tem problema, põe o outro, que aí o outro jeito.
My dad is speaking a different language.
Tá bom de doce já.
No, there's 20 candies. Did you know in each roll, there's 20 candies?
Nossa, mas você só vai comer um, hein? Doido máximo.
And in a 3-pack, there's 60 candies. Don't let it tip.
Ok, it's okay.
Because PEZs now look really cool.
Caiu no chão. Zifou. Espera. Now show me, how do you get it?
Now you open his head, and then this pushes the PEZ candy out. If you don't want it, close it. It's very easy.
Mostra aqui de novo.
See? PEZ is super useful. You can easily grab candies.
Mesas que caíram no chão.
They will not fall on the ground.
Uhum, porque já tá presa aí, né?
And when when it gets soft in your mouth, you can chew it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and sub.
Sub.